When shopping for PPF, have you noticed salespeople keep emphasizing one feature, hydrophobic coating? And many car owners wonder, what exactly is hydrophobic performance, and is it really necessary? The principle is simple. Hydrophobic coatings make water bead up like on a lotus leaf, rolling off quickly, and in the process, dirt and dust are carried away, keeping your car clean. So why does it matter? First, easier daily cleaning. After rain, hydrophobic films leave almost no water spots. A simple rinse restores cleanliness. Second, better protection. Contaminants like bird droppings, acid rain, or tree sap can't easily penetrate, adding another layer of defense. Third, improved appearance. Your car stays glossy, with a mirror-like finish that looks premium. Of course, to keep hydrophobic performance long-lasting, both material and installation matter. Premium brands offer more durable coatings, but poor installation will compromise even the best film. And regular maintenance, like reapplying hydrophobic agents, is essential to keep performance. Hydrophobic coatings aren't just a nice-to-have, they really make PPF easier to maintain, cleaner, and shinier. So what would you value more in PPF, hydrophobic performance, or other features like thickness or anti-yellowing? If this video was helpful, give it a like. Your support helps us bring more real-world tests and insights.